Ken. My name is Amanda Meyer, and I actually just got off the phone a couple of moments ago with Matt. And what I do is I work with turf companies all across the Northwest, and Matt had indicated that he wasn't in the office, so directing to you would be a better route. So what I did was I went ahead and I dug pretty deep into Top Dog and the current status of your internet presence and so forth, right? And what I want to do here is I just want to share with you what I found, and give you some tips and tricks on how to improve all this, okay? So, all right, first things first here. When your future customers are searching for your services, the first part that comes up in their search results is what's called the local map listings, or your GMB, which is your Google My Business. Now, you guys are sitting right at number one, and ideally, obviously, we want businesses to be in the top three because this is what's immediately shown. You're dominating, no issues there. Again, here is your, individualized listing. Looks wonderful. Nothing there that needs improvement. So that's kind of that. Now, here's where I'm finding that the struggle is for your site. What's just below the Google My Business listings is what's called the organic listings. That's everything that's down here. Now, the reason that this is super important is because 9 times out of 10, anyone searching for a product or service is going to go with somebody on the first page of Google, and generally one that's in the higher ranks, right? Now, I did determine that your number one competitor is Nassim and Sons. Looks like they're in Lakewood as well, doing the same thing. So what I went ahead and did was I pulled their website and I pulled your website, and I just kind of want to take a look at each and give you some ideas. So now your site is, it's beautiful. Hands down. It's got great graphics. It's got a ton of information. There's nothing about this site that jumps out that needs to be changed by any means. It's got content, all of these things. Now, as far as the design and everything goes, it's beautiful. Great job. The problem is that it's not optimized to its maximum potential to be able to pull you in traffic. So having a beautiful site that's easily navigatable and all of these things is half the battle. That's wonderful. But if it's not pulling you in all of the massive traffic that's out there, then there's work that needs to be done, right? All right, now I want to show you. This is your number one competitor, Nassim & Sons. This is their site. They've got a very well done site as well. They've got a lot of content. Let me give you an idea of what Google does. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Google crawls the internet. And what that means is that they're looking at every single website that is on the internet, and they're looking for two important things. Number one, command content. So that's any of the words that you have on your webpage. Any of this, right? Just like you guys have. Plenty. Now, the second thing that they're looking for, which is crucially important as well, are what is referred to as organic keywords. This is the struggle for your site. You guys have the command content. It looks good. That part's wonderful, but the problem is there are not the organic keywords placed throughout the content that there needs to be. All right, so then what I went ahead and did was I pulled my web crawler program. What this does is this gets the deep down data of both sites so we can get an overall picture of exactly what's going on, right? Okay, so the two most important factors that I want to show you on this page is your UR and your DR. What your UR is your trust factor rating assigned by Google. Your DR is your power rating assigned by Google. These two numbers are determined by backlinks. What a backlink is essentially a shout out from another website to yours. There's a link taking the person from the other site to yours, and what that does is it gives you A, credibility, B, it gives you exposure, and then C, it gives you power, right? Now, here's those organic keywords that I was talking to you about. What a keyword is the exact search phrase that somebody enters into Google when they're looking for your services. Just for example, turf, Lakewood. That would be an organic keyword. because that is directly what the search person is entering into Google to then find your services. What Google does is it matches exactly what's being typed into the search engine, and then they cross-reference it with all of the sites. Now, you need to have those exact search terms on your site as well, because then Google goes, oh, you know what? This person just entered in Turf Lakewood, and Top Dog's got it right here on their website, so we're going to match them together. What that also does is that boosts you up these rankings, these organic rankings that I was telling you about. Now, the fact of the matter is that you guys are on top, of course, for your GMB, but I went as far back as, I'll be honest with you, like the middle of the second page, and you guys just were not anywhere. And I stopped looking at that point because the fact of the matter is that, and like I was saying before, anyone searching for a product or service is gonna go with someone 9 times out of 10 on the first page and in the higher up listings. So that's the overall goal, of course, is to be in those top rankings to be able to absorb all this traffic. Now, with everything that we're looking at with you guys, the little to no keywords going on, little to no backlinks. This is giving us an overall picture of having an organic traffic rating of 34 people a month, right? Now let's just take a look at Nassim & Sons, what they've got going on. Again, just a reminder, this is their trust factor. This is their power factor. What they've got going on is 830 backlinks. What they've also got going on is 551 of those organic search terms that I was explaining to you. And what this is doing for them with an overall picture is this is an organic traffic rating of 221. So that means every month, 221 folks are getting online. They're searching for the exact same services in the exact same areas that you guys are offering them. But 221 people are clicking on their site, retaining their services, getting additional information, whatever the case may be. The fact of the matter is this is a lot of traffic. Again, you guys are sitting at 34 and they're sitting at 221. And this is continuing to rise because we're definitely going into season when all of this, landscaping and artificial lawns and so forth are on the rise. So with that being said, there are several things that could be implemented to your site, the additional organic keywords, the additional backlinks, just a multitude of things that could be done to your site to therefore bring you up those ranks, get you on that first page, and put you in position to absorb, a ton of this traffic. So if this is something that you're interested in pursuing, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. If it's not something that you're interested in pursuing, that's okay too. No harm, no foul. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and I hope the rest of the day is wonderful to you.